just love that. And can you hear that? Hi everybody, it's Julie the Whippy Chick here, and it's getting warm. Whew, kind of hot out. Let's see. I'll tell you what it is. It says it's only 77, but I don't know if I believe it. It's been raining on and off, so it's just really muggy. So maybe that's what it is. It just seems hot. But at any rate, I wanted to pop in and say hi. And I finished a project, so I wanted to share that with you. So I finished my little beach bag here, and you can see that it is a little bit of a color change going on there because it is kind of bright out, but I'm going to put it outside the window to see if I can get it to change more. I look kind of crazy sitting in my car holding a bag out the window. It would change really fast if it were sunny, but like I said, it's been rainy, so it takes it a little longer. But you can kind of see the difference. Now, this is supposed to be pink and this is supposed to be purple, and honest to God, even on a bright sunny day, I can't tell the difference. I gotta put it out the window again. The sun had come out for just a minute before I came out here to do this, and now it's all cloudy again, so it's not helping me. Okay. Yeah, at any rate, the pink and the purple are almost so similar that it's hard to tell the difference. But at any rate, I got a cute bag out of it. I do like it. I've been using it actually more for a project bag because I've got a project. Got a little project. So my project is a one skein wonder project. This week on Yarn Hookers, we are using the theme one hit wonders, one skein wonders. Projects that you can make with one skein. So I found this beautiful cowl, and I'll put a picture of it here for you to see, but I found this beautiful cowl and I wanted to make that. And the yarn that was recommended for this cowl was the Lion Brand Mandala, and it only took 150 gram skein. So I happen to have that. It's actually yarn my sister got me for Christmas, and I have started making my project, and I love it. So far I'm loving it. I'll hold it up close so you can see the stitch definition. It's all front post double crochet and back post double crochet, and it's actually pretty easy. It's really simple. It's a little more time consuming, but I'm loving it. I'm loving the colors, and I'm loving working with them. I love to work on projects where you have like a constantly changing color pattern. I just love that. I think it's fun. So yeah, these are the colors that I have left that are going to be worked into it. I'm just starting the blue, so I'm loving it. So I'm hoping to have it done by Saturday so I can show everybody my one skein wonder. I can't wait to see what Melanie and Ginger are cooking up for their one skein wonder projects. And of course, we'll find some other one skein wonder projects as well to share with you, give you some ideas for what to do with all those single skeins. I don't know about you, but I am so frugal that a lot of times I'll just buy one skein, and then later on I'm like, oh, why did I do that? I need more than one skein. But this is good. This is a good idea, so you can use up those one skeins that you got. Or sometimes they're gifts too. You know, non-crocheters don't always know how much you need or what you're going to use something for, so they just gift you a skein, and I love those gifts. Yeah, so we've got some ideas for you to use those up. I've got another little skein for my sister, and it's gray, and it's got little silver specks in it, and I think that might have to be like an amigurumi elephant or something. So cute. So cute. So what else is going on? Not too much. It's getting close to graduation time, and my son's gonna graduate high school this year. And the other day I got home from work and he said, "Mom, I've got a surprise for you." And I said, "Okay." And he said, "Wait here." So I waited, in the kitchen, and he came back a few minutes later and he had his cap and gown on, and the tears just burst from my eyes. And he was like, "No, don't cry, Mom, don't cry." But later on he said, "Dad said you'd probably cry as soon as you saw me wearing this." And he was right, but I didn't expect it. I didn't expect that it would get me so emotional. I mean, it's not like I didn't know this day was coming for the last years and years and years and years. But yeah, so he's actually got 2 graduations. He's got one graduation from a course that he took for 2 years called Computer Animated Design or Computer Assisted Design. Maybe it's assisted. Can you hear the train horn? Sorry, it's so loud. Okay, so anyway, yeah, so Computer Assisted Design. So he's got that graduation actually tomorrow evening. And then he's got his high school graduation in a couple weeks. So break out the tissues, moms. It's time for graduation. Can you hear that? I don't know if you can hear that train horn. Boy, it's loud. I hope nobody's on the tracks. My goodness. All right, so what else is going on? I have some beautiful pictures to put at the end of this video. It's pretty easy to find the beauty in every day in my backyard lately because things are blooming. I've got peonies blooming, and I don't know what these little flowers are called, but I'll show them to you. They're these little purple and white flowers. They're probably a weed, and yellow flowers, but they look beautiful, and I couldn't resist taking pictures of them. So I share those with you. I don't think I have much else going on. Oh, except this weekend, Central New York Fiber Festival. So I'm going to do that this weekend, and I'm so excited. I can't wait. I've never been to a fiber festival before, but I'm really excited to go to this one. And I'll put the location right here for you fellow New Yorkers, or maybe some Pennsylvanians. I don't know, people who aren't too far away maybe would like to join us. It looks really fun. So I'm excited. I'm excited. And I'm going to take you with me. I'm going to have my camera. I'll probably bring the GoPro. There's an idea, right? I'll bring the camera at any rate and document it so you can see what my day was like at the Fiber Festival. My husband said he'll come with me. I told him he didn't have to, but he seems to want to, so I'm okay with it. All right, I think that's all I've got to share with you today. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I hope this finds you well. And yeah, I'll see you next time. And next time could very well be Saturday at 5, right here at the Whippy Chick channel, where I'm hosting Yarn Hookers.